Oh shit. What's good, man? Oh, you coming to visit my new home out here in Florida, man? Fuck it, come in. Prince Ibrahim back with another video. Let me close the door. I don't want everybody in my business. But as y'all can see, man, let me close the door because I want y'all to get a full tour of my new luxury apartment before I move into my house. You know what I'm saying? I done moved last week. I kept it a secret for a little bit, but in my 2 videos ago, I literally recorded that I moved to Florida, you know what I'm saying? And so, it's the truth. I'm out here and it was my birthday, turned 27, and I'm loving it a little bit better than where I came from, which was Georgia. So I just wanna give y'all a little quick apartment tour. So shit, fuck it, let's get started, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna start right here with the living room, you know what I'm saying? Of course I had to go, you know, I got this from a antique store type shit. I had that installed. I got the leaves with it. It blows a lot better than a regular ceiling fan. So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start with that for number 1. Right here is the living room, the master area where I come chill. At nighttime, I got LED lights. I'm not gonna tell y'all what that is because y'all gonna take my idea. But at night, I just come, you know what I'm saying? Kick it right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I watch movies, surround sound, all that type of shit. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see my TV behind y'all, I watch it on, I think that's a 55. Probably, yeah, about 55 inch. You know what I'm saying? That's a big behind shit. But, yep, this is my master area where I do the living room shit. Right here, as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? I just got a little dining set or whatnot. Literally just wanted to, some mornings I'd come here, get on my computer, eat some breakfast, fruit, eggs, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Things like that. That's just a little dining set. All right, man, so here's the kitchen area. Again, all y'all eat, so I know this is probably your favorite area of the video. Obviously here, I got nothing but electric, you know what I'm saying? I got wood, antique wood, or whatever you call this. Not stainless steel, obviously that's metal, but this is wood. I love the wood idea more of the stainless steel. Everybody has that, or the marble. This player right here, oh God. You know what I'm saying? So I got that, you know what I'm saying? I got the obvious stove when I want to bake or something like that. I'll be in here whipping, no cap. Man, this motherfucker whipping. You know what I'm saying? I got my little, it's only me as of right now, so I got about 4 cups. I don't need that many. I got some cups right here, as y'all can see. Shit pretty smooth. It's empty right now. I just moved in, you know what I'm saying? I just moved in, be at work majority of the time, doing YouTube and editing, doing Forex videos and whatnot, but obviously this is just the refrigerator. This motherfucker look like a Tesla Cybertruck. So we're gonna just continue. Right here, let's do it, man. We're gonna come into the bathroom area, man. I'm just gonna work with these keys myself. Oh, that bitch hard. Oh, shit. Hey, anyway, man, look. This is the bathroom area. I come in here, you know what I'm saying, get myself right in the morning, at night, things like that. This is what I call the bowl sink. Yeah, the bowl sink. What the fuck we talking about? Anyway, man, I come here. Look how it just flows.
But what the hell, boy?
That shit just flows perfectly. It ain't, you know what I'm saying, it ain't stopped up or nothing like that. Come here, wipe my hands off. But again, had to go wood. Get some ideas from me. Had to go wood on this motherfucker. Obviously, this is where I think, I sit, think, have my little guy moments and things like that. But this is where the magic happens. I really think in this motherfucker. Look how clean this bitch is. For one, we got the marble wall, and it's none of y'all thought about that. Oh shit! Oh, man. None of y'all thought about that, man. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? I be in this bitch just taking my. I did the same shit. Look right here though. As y'all can see, I did. You know what I'm saying? I did the same shit. I mean, I went luxury right here. You know what I'm saying? I got this on TikTok, so just gonna keep it on. And I have 2 ways into my room. Really, just like my guest room and stuff like that. Go ahead and turn this light on. This is my guest room. This ain't even my room. If like my mom or somebody want to come visit me, you know what I'm saying? Because all my family back in GA, Georgia. So, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 twin motherfuckers in this bit. They can watch movies. If my sisters want to come visit, they watch movies, sit here. We got antique art, Disney art. Obviously, I ain't gonna tell you exactly where I'm in Florida. You know what I'm saying? Disney World and things like that is big popping out here. You know, I got a place where I can actually view. Just do this if I'm in this room just chilling, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 bedrooms, which is cool. I came from a 1 bedroom, so. And I got the closet. Damn, this closet big as fuck. I always get like shocked when I walk in here, you know what I'm saying? I literally lose like my breath coming in here. It's a big ass closet, bro.
So much shit I can fit in. I can fit a car in it. I can fit a house itself in this bitch, you know what I'm saying?
But it's just a closet where I put my shoes and clothes. It's empty right now because like I said, I don't be in this room for real. I be in my actual room, the master bedroom, which we are about to head to. Follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Who is this? What you doing here? You know her? The hell going on? Nah, this is my cousin. She hears everything. If it's hot in here, too cold, you know, turn that on, turn it off. This is where it's at. Like I said, I got my cousin visiting me from, you know what I'm saying, the big city. You know what I'm saying? The Empire State City. So it's kind of packed in here, but this is where I reside. This is my luxury. This gotta be like a goddamn. I got it when I move. Somebody just, you know what I'm saying, got it for me and shit like that. Can't name no names, but this gotta be like a king size. It's huge, bro. Normal shit. It's huge. Pause. Shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I come in here, watch movies. This is my old TV. That's why it's so small. I'm planning on getting like 70 inch or something like that. Somewhere I can just really watch movies. Marvel shit, you know. So yeah, man, this is, I just call it the king's room. And this is probably the best part for you ladies. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like things like this. But before we get to that, listen, I come here, check myself out, check my fit out, things like that. What I got on right now is like mid, it's slight, some slight. So let's take it a step further. Yes, the king's bathroom. We got the king's room and the king's bathroom. Yeah, man, again, I had to go bowl sink. I call it the bowl sink. Just smooth, you know what I'm saying? Grip that motherfucker, shit fire. But, yes, it flows really well. Again, I take my thinking thoughts right here, and then I take my bigger thinking thoughts, and then voila. Bam. Y'all didn't see this in the other bathroom. Look. This ain't even got no damn, what's the name? This ain't even got no real deal floor. This motherfucker come with this bathroom. That's how I know I'll be in this bit for sure. Before we get to it. We're gonna close that up. And last but not least, the closet itself. This is a little smaller than the other one. Oh yeah, good lighting. Oh yeah, good lighting.
Stop it. Get some help.
This one is a little smaller than the other one. But like I said, I got 2 bedrooms for now. It's cheaper out here in Orlando. It's really nice. So I literally just sit in here and clothes, actually fill that bitch up. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. And it's empty right now. I'm still fresh to Florida. I gotta go back and forth to Atlanta and get my stuff. But I got the main essentials: my bed, the couch, TVs and shit like that. I wanted to show y'all my luxury apartment tour. Yeah, this is the end of this video, man. I just moved to Orlando, Florida again, as y'all can see in my last 2 videos. And I probably am gonna reside here, get a house. This is just like temporary for now, probably a year or 2. But yeah, I like it. Again, make sure y'all follow me, comment, like, all of that. We out. I got a birthday dinner tonight, so make sure I'll probably vlog a little bit of that, but not too much. So make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's get it.